good afternoon. I am Neetu Sharma with you in this bulletin. Welcome to our channel News Flash. Let's start the bulletin with top stories. United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres has strongly supported reforming the UN Security Council to reflect today's world rather than 1945. Dujarric praised India as a very important part of the UN system and a strong supporter of multilateralism. He added that member states will decide which countries get permanent seats in a reform council. Reform is a central theme at this year's UN General Assembly, marking the UN's 80th anniversary and major global meetings including the Climate Ambition Summit. Let's focus on the next news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeted the nation on the second day of Shadi Navratri dedicated to Goddess Brahmacharini. He prayed for courage and restraint for all devotees and shared a devotional song of the goddess on social media. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami also extended wishes, praying for faith, confidence and well-being for people. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar met US Secretary of State Marco Rubio in New York on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly. The two leaders discussed a wide range of bilateral and international issues and agreed on the need for sustained engagement to move forward on priority areas. This was their first meeting since trade tensions grew after US President Donald Trump imposed tariffs on Indian goods linked to Russian oil purchases. Both countries are working towards finalizing a bilateral trade agreement with Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal leading talks in Washington. Let's come to the next news. Former Indian captain Sourav Ganguly has been re-elected unopposed as president of the Cricket Association of Bengal at its 94th annual general meeting. Ganguly succeeds his brother Snehashish Ganguly, who held the post for nearly 3 years. Along with him, Nitish Ranjan Datta was named vice president, Bablu Kaule as honorary secretary, Madan Mohan Ghosh as joint secretary and Sanjay Das as treasurer. This marks Ganguly's return to CAB leadership after his earlier stint from 2015 to 2019. He also served as BCCI president from 2019 to 2022 and is currently chair of the ICC Men's Cricket Committee. The Indian stock market opened with small gains on Tuesday, supported by positive global trends. The Sensex was up 120 points at 82,282, while the Nifty rose 35 points to 25,238. Buying was seen in auto, IT and financial stocks, with Maruti Suzuki, M&M, Tata Motors, Infosys and SDFC Bank among the top gainers. Ultratech Cement, Sun Pharma and Asian Paints were among the losers. Thank you for watching us. Be with us. Namaskar.